We have the medical.
Ni mucemanio-ini uria urahariirio ni Ngabana wa KIAMBU Ngabana Wamatangi ari hamwe na maminista na maabitha ngathi cia iguru thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya KIAMBU kuria motungata kuri muingi mendekithitio gukinyanagirio na urungireru. Ngabana Wamatangi niarutite mukana kuri maabitha kaunti wa kwaga guthagathagia muingi makiria hari ungania wa magoti undu ria ugite na ukinyanirio hatari nditimurano.
The guys in uniform, this is not a license for you to go and practice what you learned in Kiganjo, if you went there, to whip people and clobber them with rungus and whatever. It's not a license for you to go and drag women on the street and kick their mandazis in the air. We are saying when you go there, even enforcement itself has got a sense of discipline.
Ningi hari ungania wa magoti, Ngabana niarutite mukana wa kurugamia wira abitha othe wa kaunti ukunyitikana na mahitia mothe megemaini na ungumania hari ungania wa magoti kuma kuri muingi.
Ukichukua mandazi ya wamama hata mulete hapa kwa headquarter, siwezi uza hiyo mandazi nilipe license. This person that we are charging for a single business permit will pay us, and he should be informed that he has not paid for his single business permit. But on the other hand, has his garbage been collected? My vow is that, fine, you do it, you get away with it, lucky you. The time when we cross paths and, you know, you've chosen to go that way, then I have also chosen to go a certain way.
Maabitha no mahowetwo guthikagiriria muingi na gwikagirira mawoni maguo matura-ini mothe niguo gutaukagirwo ni mathina maria mamegie na uria mangigia na nja.
Mipango ni mipango zenye zimetolewa kwenye kinywa cha wananchi, because tunaenda kwa ile tunaita public participation. Tunauliza wananchi, nyinyi ni mahitaji gani, ni mambo magani mnaona inafaa kufanywa na sisi ambao mmepatia jukumu la kuwa serikali.
Kaunti no eranĩire gutigirira mitaratara yothe igie muingi ta uthondeki na ukinyaniria wa bajeti, guthugundwo kwa mawatho na maundu mangi megie muingi makinyanirio kuringana na mawoni na wendi waguo handu hako makinyanagiria na kwihura githuri.
Ndio iwe ipate nguvu ya kisheria, tunapeana kwa assembly, na assembly sasa inaifanya jukumu la serikali ambayo sasa inakalia kiti kutimiza.
Handu ni Kameme TV, leto lako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.